guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here, then what is up? I'm filming this the same day that I filmed the intro and outro for my other planner haul, if you guys saw that. Oh my god, the printer just turned on because I unplugged it and plugged it back up. That was so terrifying. Also, it's storming outside, so I'm really sorry if you can hear the rain, but we'll make this quick. So I decided to do these, this planner haul, these planner hauls, into two separate videos just so that it wasn't too long. So this is gonna be the haul of stuff that I got from Foxy Fix when they were doing their bundles that were like 70% off, so you're getting a ton of stuff mixed in these bundles. When this goes live, I'm not sure if they're still available, but if they are, I definitely suggest buying them. I literally want to buy more. I want to buy like one at least of each size because you're getting some really good stuff in those boxes. It's like they're just throwing everything they have in their warehouse to get rid of stuff. It's amazing. They're $50 a piece, is what I paid for them anyways. And even as I'm filming this intro days later, they're still on the website for $50 a piece, but you're getting so much stuff. You're saving so much money. So this is going to be a haul of the stuff that I picked up from Foxy Fix from their bundles. I'm sweating. I'm really sorry. It's so hot in here, and I turned off my fan just to film this. So let's get on into everything that I got from Foxy Fix in these bundles. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys what I got from Foxy Fix. They still have their like variety bundles that are marked down with a ton of stuff. You just pick like the size planner that you want stuff for. So we had gotten the B6 bundle before, and my mom gave me a few things out of there, and so I just bought 3 more bundles, and I'm going to share everything with her, so that's why I wanted to like film this video so we can like split everything up. So I think I got A5 notebook, like TN, I guess. Also A5 rings, and then I got pocket rings. So much stuff for each size. So I'm gonna try to keep everything together. These were all of the like dashboards from the B6 that we got before. So we got this like what, a month ago, 2 months ago now. So we split these up. So I got a ton of these with the secretarial pockets here. So this was also for a TN, and I have rings, so we were just cutting it apart and hole punching them so that they fit in the rings, but they're for the TNs, so they would like fold over. So you got secretarial pockets there. I got 3, maybe 4. I think I already put 1 or 2 in my B6 planner. Oh, there's another one, secretarial pocket there. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 with the scalloped top loading dashboards. I'm gonna move this box over. It came in a huge box. All right, so that's for just the B6, and then my mom took the rest. So I don't even know where to start. I guess I'll show all the paper first. We got a ton of papers for the A5 rings, like so many. This is a huge stack of like paper sets for A5 rings, like crazy. So many. I feel like they're just like trying to clear out their warehouse. They're just throwing anything and everything in these bundles. So the first one that we got was just, it's like a dot grid, if you can kind of see it. I know the lighting isn't that great and there's a glare, but this is just like the dot grid. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 dot grids, and then we got regular grids, so you can kind of tell the difference between the dot grid and the regular graph grid. Just had to clear off my camera because there was like no memory space left. But so I got all these graphs here. There was what, 4? So I'm gonna kind of give my mom some of those. And then we got blank pages. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I hit the camera. 5 just blank page packs. These are all still A5 size. And then we got 4 things of lined paper. So these are always great to have add into the planner. I need them for sketching out some inserts that I want to make. So got those, gonna split those with my madre. Again, those are all A5 rings. Then we got a good handful of these page lifters for the A5 rings also. What did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are like a really nice sturdy plastic. So nice. Always need a nice, good page lifter. Love it. Okay, and then this one, since I did get a set for the TN A5 size, they gave me this like set of just booklets, which I don't use TNs, and so I don't need these bands either. I don't know why there's like stuff all over this. But so I'm just giving this to my mom, so I'm just gonna leave it in the package. It's just 2 plain books and 4 different rubber bands, so those are going straight to my mom because I do not need those. And then for A5, we got some of these page converters. So these, I'm pretty sure, are what you like stick in the back pocket, and then you could keep this on here and put one of those books around it, so you could have your rings and also have like a TN notebook on the inside, so you'd have both in there. I think I might have already given my mom 1 or 2 of these, but here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these converters. And I know people are selling these on like Facebook pages and Poshmark. So got a ton of these. I think I actually got 10 even of these. And I think I already gave my mom some. I don't know. But yeah, good amount of those. And then I also got those for the pocket size. So they're right here. So I might as well just show them now. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these. And I'm pretty sure I definitely already gave some of these to my mom. Of course, I had to clear my memory again on my phone. It's just so full. But anyways, so I know for a fact I already gave my mom some of these. I think like 4 to some of these. But the colors of the rubber bands are so pretty. And they're like really nice, sturdy, thick rubber bands. So these are just nice. Really thick plastic again. Same as the converters. Oh, well, I guess they're the mini converters. So... duh. All right, then we got a ton. Oh, here's another one of the little pocket converters. So there was like this yellow gold color also. I might as well just kind of trying to keep everything together. So I got a good handful of these page lifters also for the pocket size rings. So many of these. And again, they're the thicker plastic than the converters and they're less clear, more opaque. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these page lifters. My mom doesn't use pocket size planners with rings, so these are just all for me. I do actually keep like my inserts in other planners, if that makes sense. So these will probably get used up. So I don't even mind that I have like a million of them. So then sticking just with pocket size, I guess, just because that's where we are. Got obviously a ton of the plastic dashboards too. They're like Foxy Fix dashboards. So these are all the ones that I got for pocket size. So many of them. So these are the secretarial ones. I guess we'll do those ones first. I like only just realized that they're double-sided. So they're double-sided secretarial pocket ones for the, yeah, pocket size dashboards. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 secretarial ones. And I only got one bundle for pocket size. All of this pocket size stuff came in one bundle. So these are the dashboards with the scallop, but it's only on one side. It's on the front, it looks like. Yeah. So the scalloped edge, they're top loading. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, the top loading scalloped one for pocket size. And then the last ones are like the side loading ones and it's only on one side. But there's one, this is 2, so 2 together, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. Very nice. And so back into the A5 size for these dashboards. So like I said, I got a bundle of A5 rings and also a bundle of A5 TNs. So I got dashboards for both of those. So these are the ring ones, obviously. So these are all the A5 ring. I don't think I split these up with my mom just yet. But so the first ones here are the side loading. So it's only on the front for these ones. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 4 side loading ones for A5. And then these are the top loading scalloped. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think that's it for the A5 rings. I think that's all of them. And then for TN though, A5, we got this huge stack of TN A5, like so many. But these you can also use, you just cut them apart if you have a good like paper cutter, and then you just hole punch them, and then you get 2. Yeah, or you know, you can keep them together and use them as a TN. But so we got the scalloped ones for TN. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, oh my gosh, 9 of these double scalloped ones for A5. And then these ones are the side loading ones. So each side, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like the rest are secretarial. So again, this is all just one bundle of A5 for the TNs. So these are the secretarial ones. You would go like that, and it's got the double secretarial pockets there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, gosh, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. So many. All right, and then the last things that were included came in the bundle with the pocket size. So with my pocket size bundle, I just got 2 of these little dividers. So they just came wrapped up in this. So it's 2 separate sets of dividers. And they're actually vellum. So they're pretty thin. So they're not gonna like bulk up your planner, which is nice. They're just like a thick vellum piece. I don't know, these are nice. I got 2 sets of these for pocket size. These will definitely come in handy for me as well. I like to organize my inserts already printed out, like I said, and like I tell you guys a million times. But so that is everything for this planner haul, Foxy Fix. I'm gonna try to end this pretty quickly because I'm running out of memory card fast, and I've already had to clear everything basically off of my phone. It's so full. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your guys' thoughts if you guys have picked up any of these items, if you guys have gotten anything good or anything different maybe from the bundles from Foxy Fix, if you've picked up any of those. So yeah, muchísimas gracias for watching this video. Give the video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed my planner videos and planner hauls. And yeah, muchísimas gracias otra vez for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. So that is it for this haul of stuff that I got from Foxy Fix. Let me know in the comments below if you guys picked up anything from Foxy Fix specifically with these bundles, or if you're gonna get some. And if you guys got anything super exciting in your box, I'd love to know. I love hearing from you guys. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you like seeing my planner haul videos, or if you just want me to stop spinning the chair. I just can't help it when I sit in this chair. I just spin. Make sure you're subscribed because I know YouTube is still dropping everyone off of my subscriptions. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're interested in my videos. Hit the notification as well so that it alerts you every time I do post a new video, so you guys don't miss out on anything. But yeah, muchísimas gracias for watching este video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. I just hit my elbow. Bye, guys.